guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create this look as well as this look for you guys, and today I have used just Sugar Cosmetics products, and also I am collaborating with Sugar for a giveaway for you guys. So if you want to participate, do check out my Instagram page. I'm going to mention it down in the description box below, and if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching.
Perfect.
So guys, that's it. Let me know which look you like the most, the vampy, the naughty one, or the nice one in the comment section below. Also guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.